Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our TV conference for today for goods and services and also for the civil works. Today is March 13, 2024. For the TV conference for the goods, contract ID 24GA08, the 3D laser scanner or the mobile handheld, the DPWH-Aklan with ABC of 7,500,000. And also the contact ID 24GGA 09, purchase of materials, testing equipment, accessories including training, calibration, and demonstration from Quality Assurance Section, DPWH-Aklan Engineering Office with ABC of 9,200,000. And also please inform that we are being live streamed by a YouTube channel of the DPWH-DEO Procurement. So before we start, let us have our prayer to be led by Ma'am Marla.
Let us pray in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you for this wonderful time as we gather in your name, as we conduct our pre-built conference. Guide us, Lord, and help us to be able to understand and follow the Government Procurement Reform Act to achieve the objectives of this undertaking. Create in us, O Lord, the desire to be more dedicated and committed to our duties and responsibilities. Teach us to be more responsive to the demands of integrity in public office. This we ask through your Son, Jesus Christ, our Lord. Amen.
Hello, to continue. We have also scheduled for today for the civil works. So, for the contact ID 24GA0006, Aklan East Road, kilometer 0278 plus 932 to kilometer 0281 plus 00 with the ABC of 73,685,470 pesos. For the contact ID 24GA0050, Jaime Cardinal Avenue, kilometer 0278 plus or minus 391 to kilometer 0278 plus 839 with the ABC of 45,240,165 pesos. So, for the contact ID 24GA0127, installation application of signage and pavement markings along Aklan East Road, kilometer 0278 plus 457 to kilometer 0279 plus 485 Kalibo Aklan with ABC of 1,068,200 pesos. For the contact ID 24GA0189, this is our invitation. Construction completion of multi-purpose building, Toledo, Nabas, Aklan with ABC of 1,980,000. For the next project, 24GA0165, Rehabilitation of multi-purpose facility, Augusto, Legaspi or the ABL Sport and Cultural Center, Godofredo, Ramos Park, Capital Site, Barangay Estancia, Kalibo, Aklan, Phase 1, with the ABC of 29,700,000. For the last project, contact ID 24GA0166, Rehabilitation of multi-purpose building, ABL Sport and Cultural Complex, Kalibo, Aklan, Phase 2, with the ABC of 29,700,000. So, to continue, for the determination of quorum, I call Mr. Bernie.
Okay, thank you. And before we proceed for our private conference on for shopping and civil works, let's have the roll call of our back members who are present today. let's start from our presiding officer, our vice chairperson, Sir Hernan Bagis, our three regular members, starting from President de la Vega, Mama La Salvacion, Sir Joey Oleta. Out of 6 back members who are present today, but still we have a quorum and the conference can now proceed. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ray Bermeo. So, to proceed, let me call on the technical personnel from planning design section and from the quality assurance section for the detailed description of the project. So, let's start from the goods.
Good morning. 24 DGA 09, purchase of materials testing equipment, open parenthesis, accessories including training, calibration, and demonstration, close parenthesis, quality assurance section, DPWH-Aklan District Engineering Office. ABC is 1,200,000 pesos. At 9,200,000 pesos. Here are the equipment description. Number one, Vicat apparatus with accessories, more needles, Vicat needle, conical ring and glass plate, plain non-absorptive at 4 inches square. Capacity is 4 inches square. Number two, one piece of cylindrical measure, 400 ml. Number three is 2 bags of Ottawa's test sand, standard 20 to 30 ASTM-C-778. Number 4 is 1 bottle hydrated lime. Number 5 is 1 bottle 500 ml grease oil. Tapos, metal red indicator, 1 piece. One bottle barium chloride, 1 piece picnometer metal, 1 piece, tapos 1 unit heater, hot plate, working size is 35 by 22 mm, heating temperature is 300 degrees centigrade, working power is 1 kilowatt stainless steel working table. Number 10 is 1 unit digital balance, 0.001 G sensitivity, conforms to ASTM M231. Number 11 is 1 piece clamp. Number 12 is 1 pack filter paper disc. Capacity is E833 type 2, quantitative class F, or number 14 assless. Diameter is 125 mm, 100 circles. Number 13, 1 piece filter flask, 200 ml. Number 14, 1 piece filter flask, 500 ml. Number 15, 1 piece filter tube, 40 to 42 mm inside diameter. Number 16 is 1 piece rubber tubing or adapter. Number 17, 1 piece Erlenmeyer flask, 125 ml. Number 18 is 1 unit analytical digital balance. Ang capacity and readability is 520 grams by 0.001 gram. External calibration is R5232 and USB device. Span size is 90 mm diameter. 19 is 1 piece Florence flask, 50 ml. Number 20 is 2 2 packs of filter paper, Watman number 50. 1 piece graduated cylinder 10 ml. 1 piece cork stopper. Number 23, pipe 1 piece. Number 24 is 2 packs container MC can. So 25 mm diameter to 35 mm. Number 25 is 1 tab open cup for MC. Description is ASTM 9C25 plus 100 degrees centigrade and ASTM 57C20 to 50 centigrades. Dimension is 200 by 300 by 40 mm approximate. 26 is 1 unit fume hood with duct system. Overhead LED light strip, worktop heat, flame and corrosion resistant. Water of air treated, minimum 690 cubic meter per hour. Voltage is 220 voltage. Air phase is velocity variable up to at least 0.5 IREA 110 certified /EN 14175 certified. Number 27, 1 piece distillation flask with 500 ml. Number 28 is 1 piece condenser glass jacketed. Number 25, 1 piece adapter shield and flask support. Number 30 is 1 piece gas burner. Number 31 is 1 piece residue container, MC can. Number 32, 1 piece thermometer, 400 degrees centigrade capacity. Number 33 is 1 piece iron stand. 34, 1 piece iron clamp. 35 is 1 piece electric heater. 37 is 1 piece sheave number 20, 3 inches in diameter. Tapos pan / glass plate, 1 piece. 1 bottle sodium orange solution. Tapos 1 piece sheave number 80, 8 inches in diameter. Number 30 is 1 piece sheave number 80, 8 inches diameter. Number 40, 1 piece sheave number 14, 3 inches in diameter. 41, 1 glass watch glass. Number 42, 1 piece 12 inches steering rod, 12 inches in diameter. 43, 1 piece mixing bowl, 100 ml capacity. Glass pipe, 1 piece 50 ml. Tapos 1 piece beaker 50 ml. Tapos 45 by 1 piece 1000 ml beaker. 46 1 unit laboratory melter consists of oil batch, conforms to ASTM D1191. 47, 1 piece thermometer, 300 degrees centigrade capacity. Tapos, 48 DC. 48 is 1 unit measuring pinotrometer. Measuring range niya is 50 mm / 0.01 mm. Standard needle is 2.5 grams to 40 2.5 grams plus or minus 0.05 grams. Plunger needle and needle holder. Penetration cup is 55 by 35 mm diameter. Glass temperature valve, no less than 5 ml / deep, no less than 60 mm. Power supply is 220 volts, 1 to 50 to 60 horse. 49, 1 pack moisture can for penetration test. 50 is 1 piece mold, 40 mm by 60 mm by 33.2 mm. Tin panel, 1 piece. 1 piece thickness measuring device. 1 piece 4 bit 4 inches. 1 piece 4 bit 5 inches, 6 inches. Tapos, number 56, auto concrete pipe compression testing machine. So, maximum force is 1,000 TN. Model ng pressure control method, fully automated computer control. Power hydraulic, column spacing 2,500 mm. Maximum space up and down, excluding cylindrical stroke, is 3,000 millimeter. Small space above and below, excluding cylinder stroke, 580 mm. Cylindrical stroke, 500 mm. Burn adjustment method electric, maximum of maximum load niya is 1,000 kilonewton. Range of test force 4% to 100% Fs. Load display accurately by 1%. Display computer display. Machine weight niya is 3,000 kilograms. Size is 3,300 by 1,000 by 5,500 mm. And the last is the soil exploration drilling machine, hydraulic rotary, with power unit and with complete accessories for 50 to 100 depth. Drilling depth is 100 meter diameter of the final hole. 75 mm drilling rod diameter, 42 mm rated rotary speed, 1,500 RPM. Rated pressure is 8 MPa maximum. Maximum pressure 12 MPa. Displacement 12.5 MPa maximum. Make or break allowable pressure is 1.5 MPa. Approximate working pressure is 15 kg by square centimeter. Accessories, 1 set tripod assembly, 16 pieces rod, 16 pieces AW rod, 10 feet, 1 unit NQ core barrel, standard 10 pieces NY casing, 3.0 meter plus 2 pieces NQ diamond corbid, 1 set water shovel and hosting plug, 1 piece jar weight 63 kilogram, 1 piece casing plug, 2 pieces NW casing shoe bit, 2 pieces 24 inches pipe range, heavy duty, 1 piece adjustable range 12 inches, heavy duty, 6 pieces AW rod, 1.5 meter height, 6 piece AW rod, 1 meter height, 1 piece 1 piece jar plate, 3 pieces SPT, 1 set water pump complete with nozzle, 12.5 liters. Manila rope is 1 inch diameter and pulley 1 inch.
For the next project,
Good morning. For the critical DPWH-08, I need is 3 laser scanner, 100 for the DPWH-Aklan DEO. The APC amount is 7,500,000. So this is all the specification of each specific project. The main equipment range is should be 120 meters. The 3D positioning it should be 0.5 to 2 centimeter. Scan rate is 320,000 points per section. And field of view. The horizontal and vertical is 360 degrees into 185 degrees. Laser type is should be class 1. The onboard display is touchscreen, full color VGA graphic display. The protection IP65. The internal storage is 512 gigabytes. Battery life is manufactured battery. And post processing is 2D or 3D viewer. Capability is for drafting software, AutoCAD or equivalent. Capability of multi-use to draw, that vehicles attachment or autonomous. The data processing laptop computer is should be display. The display is 15.6 inches. Processor is 11 Gen. Intel core is i7 or AMD Ryzen equivalent. The GPU is RTX 3060 or much better, much higher. The RAM is 16 gig. The storage is 1 terabyte SSD and the warranty is 1 year. The accessories complete set of 2 Android cell phone controller. The other requirements: with exclusive distributor certificate from manufacturer, with the certificate of service support in the Philippines, with 1 year warranty on factory defect, with field and data processing training, with 5 years annual calculation from the authorized center by the Bureau of Design, with Aklan DEO of equipment prior to award. The supplier qualification should be 5 years experience in supplying survey equipment with local center certified by a manufacturer located in the Philippines. Additional notes: specification of main equipment space indicate or reflected in the original brochure, among the technical papers that can be downloaded or reflected in the website of the manufacturer. Accessories shall be complied on the billing documents and shall be checked for compliance upon delivery. Other requirements shall be supported by certificates or documents supporting its compliance. All technical specifications issued prior to the date of this issuance are considered valid for update.
Battery life.
Yes, sir. Battery life should be is for RCU capacity.
For us.
Okay na, sir.
so as stated in our invitation to bid for the goods and services, the DPWH-Aklan District Engineering Office, Kalibo, Aklan invites bids for the above procurement project. Delivery of the goods is required as specified in the schedule of requirements. Bidders should have completed within 5 years from the date of the submission in the physical bids. A contract similar to the project whose values must be at least 50% of the ABC. The description of the eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in section 2, section 2 bidders. Bidding will be conducted through open and competitive bidding procedures using a non-dictionary pass or fail criterion as specified in 2016 revised implementing rules and regulation of the Republic Act number 9184. Bidding is restricted to Filipino citizens or sole proprietorship, partnership, or organization with at least 60% interest or outstanding capital stock belonging to the citizens of the Philippines. And to citizens or organization of a country the laws or regulation of which grant similar rights or privileges to Philippine citizens pursuant to the Republic Act number 5183. Prospective bidders may obtain further information from the Federal Service Engineering Office, Kalibo, Aklan, through its bids in our committee and inspect the bidding documents at the address below during Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interest bidders in March 6, 2024 to March 26, 2024 from the given address or website below and upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents. Bids must be duly received by the box retired through manual submission at the office address indicated below on or before March 26, 2024 at 10 a.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by the bid security in any of the acceptable forms in the amount stated in the invitation to bid close for bid opening shall be on March 26, 2024 at 10 a.m. at the given address below. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidders representative who choose to attend the activity. The DPWH-Aklan Engineering Office, Kalibo, Aklan, to its bids in our committee, reserve the rights to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding or not award the contract at any time prior to the contract award in accordance with the section 35.6 and 41 of the 2016 revised implementing laws and regulation of the Public Act number 9184 without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. So, any clarification question regarding for the activity conference for goods and services? So, if none, let us proceed to our civil works. So, the financial section for the detail of the project.
Again, good morning everyone. For the contract ID 24GA00006, Aklan East Road, kilometer 278 to 932, kilometer 281, with the ABC amount of 73,685,170, with a project duration of 150 calendar days. Asphalt overlay of road with a length of 7.9 kilometer, with reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings and warning signs. This is the straight line diagram of the proposed asphalt overlay. The summary of quantities and the section showing the proposed asphalt overlay on the shoulder left and right side. That's in the typical roadway section. Next is for the contract ID of 24GA0050, Jaime Cardinal Avenue, SOO 00536 PN, kilometer 278 plus negative 391 to kilometer 278 plus 839, with an ABC amount of 45,240,165, with a project duration of 104 calendar days. asphalt overlay of road with a length of 4.92 kilometer with white reflectorized thermoplastic pigment markings and warning signs. This is a straight line diagram of proposed asphalt overlay and summary of quantities. The section showing the proposed asphalt overlay on the shoulder, left and right side, and the typical roadway section. Next is for the contract ID of 24GA0127, installation / application of signage and pavement markings along Aklan East Road, kilometer 278 plus 457 to kilometer 279 plus 485, Kalibo, Aklan, with an ABC amount of 1,068,200, with a project duration of 56 calendar days. White reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings and warning sign with a length of 997 linear meter. And this is the location map and the straight line diagram. The summary quantities.
Good morning, everyone. For the contract ID 24GA0189, it is the construction completion of multipurpose building Toledo, Nabas, Aklan with an ABC amount of 1,980,000 and a project duration of 56 calendar days. The project description is continuation of three-story multipurpose building, construction of reinforced concrete columns and beams for second and third floor, slab for third floor with waterproofing and battered slab for second floor, sunbreakers for ground and second floor, masonry works for second and third floor, plastering works for ground floor, interior side of walls at comfort room area, rear elevation, stair division only, and second floor is the interior and exterior sides of wall, front elevation only, and installation of 3 sets D2 wooden panel doors at ground and second floor. As shown is the exterior and interior perspective of the building, as well as the location map and the vicinity map. Next is the covered court plan with corresponding section details and front and rear elevation. This is the section, the left and right section, as well as the spot details for the eaves and for corbel and for the beam. This is the ground floor plan, second floor plan, and the third floor plan. As shown is the front elevation and the left side elevation, and as well as the rear elevation and the right side elevation of the building. Next is for the contract ID 24GA0165. It is the rehabilitation of multipurpose facility Augusto, Legaspi, ABL Sports and Cultural Center, Godofredo Ramos Park, Capital Site, Barangay Estancia, Kalibo, Aklan, Phase 1, with an ABC amount of 29,700,000 and a project duration of 210 calendar days. Phase 1 covers the proposed right side of the ABL with wider office space and comfort rooms at the lower ground floor, and there are also additional features at the upper ground floor. Showing is the proposed lower ground floor plan in Phase 1, as well as the proposed upper ground floor plan for Phase 1 as well. This is the lower ground floor blow-up plan and the upper ground floor blow-up plan. Next, for the contract ID 24GA0166, the rehabilitation of multipurpose building, ABL Sports and Cultural Complex, Kalibo, Aklan, Phase 2, with an APC of 29,700,000 and a project duration of 210 calendar days. Phase 2 covers the proposed left side of the ABL with wider office space and comfort rooms at the lower ground floor, and there are also additional features at the upper ground floor. As shown is the proposed lower ground floor plan at the left side of the ABL and the proposed upper ground floor plan As shown is the front and rear elevation of the lower ground floor and the upper ground floor of the ABL. That's all. Thank you.
So, any question or clarification regarding this our civil works detail? So, if not, let's continue. As stated in our invitation to bid for civil works, prospective bidders should be number one is registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or PCAB with PCAB license with category A or B. The description of an eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in Annex 2, that's 1.1B, Section 2 and 3 of the bidding documents. Contractors, applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works Application or the CWA at the DPWH Procurement Service, 5th floor, DPWH Building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila. While those already enrolled shall keep the records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH Contractor Profile Eligibility Process or CPEP and subject to further post qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the PRS during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. Per GPP Resolution number 15-2021, prospective bidders are required to upload and maintain current of the following eligibility documents in the pages. A. Registration certification or the SEC or the detailed registration. Mayor's or business permit or its equivalent documents, tax clearance, pickup license and registration and audited financial statement. Any expired documents among the above the aforementioned eligibility document shall render the field platinum registration certificate as automatically suspended and its validity shall resume only once the said expired documents is hereby updated. Already updated with the pictures. So, also, consequently, the prospective bidder shall maintain an updated and current Pilgrim's Platinum registration and membership in the Civil Works application. Prospective bidders with expired eligibility documents and have not yet updated the record in the CWA are advised to attach their newly updated Platinum registration and membership certificate. So only the following documents are required from the prospective bidder prior to the sale of the bidding documents to it. A. Government issued ID or company ID or any authorization letter. So, authorization letter if not authorized liaison officer in the CWA. Also for the letter of intent for the foreign funded project. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulation of the Republic Act 9184, otherwise known as the Government Procurement Reform Act. So, the contract shall be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder or the LCRB was determined as during post qualification. Interested bidders may obtain further information from the DPWH-Aklan District Engineering Office, Kalibo, Aklan, and inspect the bidding documents at the Bidding Award Committee Conference Room, DPWH-Aklan District Engineering Office, during weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents will be acquired by the interested bidders on March 6, 2024 to March 26, 2024 from the address below and upon the payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPP. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or the PGIPS and the website of the procuring entity provided the bidder shall pay applicable fee for the bidding documents later than the submission of the bids. So, bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders shall only select one mode for the submission, either manual or electronic. The bid must be duly received by the bidding or committee secretariat at the address below for manual submission or electronic bids _Aklan at DPWH.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before March 26, 2024 at 10 a.m. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and the amount stated in the invitation to bid clause rated. Bid opening shall be on March 26, 2024, immediately after the deadline of the submission of bids at bids in our committee conference room, DPWH-Aklan District Engineering Office, Kalibo, Aklan. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidder representative who choose to attend at the address below. Late bid shall not be accepted. The DPWH-Aklan District Engineering Office, Kalibo, Aklan, reserve the rights to reject any and all bids declared a failure or bidding or not award the contract at any time prior to the contract award in accordance with the Section 41 of the Republic Act 9184 and its implementing rules and regulations without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. So, any question or clarification regarding this our bid conference for today? So, if none, our bid conference for civil works and for goods and services is hereby adjourned. Thank you.